hundreds of thousands of federal workers, including TSA agents, are looking at a second missed check on Friday. And TSA sickouts are escalating. ABC's Steve Osunsami has more at Hartsfield-Jackson Airport in Atlanta. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, Michael. To help out, Delta Airlines is sending some of its own workers here at this airport to the security lines directly behind me to answer questions and to direct traffic, anything to move things along. At the International Airport in Baltimore, security checkpoint A has had to close again due to staffing. And these were the long security lines in New Orleans, thanks in part to the government shutdown. The TSA says that 10% of its workforce called in sick Sunday, more than 3 times what's normal. Workers are refusing to work for free. The Nystrom family from Minnesota planned a visit to Atlanta, but they left the kids at home, worried that the shutdown has made flying less safe.
Because they said security, stuff's getting through security, and it's just unsafe to me.
In a statement, the TSA says that many employees are reporting that they're not able to report to work due to financial limitations. Bank of America, Chase, PNC, and Wells Fargo are all allowing these government workers to make late payments and in some cases adjust loans. But workers are telling us that this still gets reported to the credit agencies. John Manley is an air traffic controller in Chattanooga with 7 kids to feed. He's now driving for Uber to make up for his missing paychecks.
Will it replace the income that I'm missing? Absolutely not. It doesn't fit anywhere close.
Experts warn that if this shutdown continues and the sick out continues to grow, that air traffic in this country, air transportation, could be severely impacted. Robin?
And if it shuts down, that will get people's attention. All right, Steve, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.